Hello students, SST second number lesson, our national and cultural heritage. From that, the last part we are going to look, it is of life skill. So visit a local monument with your teacher or parents. So local monument, which is our cultural heritage, we want to go with your parents or teachers. Prepare a list of 10 rules that should be followed by the visitor to ensure good manners of the monuments. So we want to make 10 rules what we should not do at the place. We should follow the good manners when we are going to the monument, any historical place. Some suggestions have been listed below. So there are some suggestions, that 4 points, 4 suggestions given already for help to you. So remaining 6 suggestions you should think and write. I will tell first suggestion for you. Do not write on the wall of the monument or damage them in any way. So first, an important thing, don't write on the walls when we are going to visit anywhere. So we should not write on the walls and we should not make dirty and damage also. Then second number point is, do not litter. We should not throw garbage anywhere. We should use dustbins to keep garbage. The next one, do not speak too loud or play a loud music while we are going to visit to the monument, heritage site. So we should not speak loud and we should not play a loud music also at the heritage site. Then last point is, do not misbehave or misguide foreigner tourist. So we should not do any wrong thing with the foreign tourist, and we should not misguide them and misbehave with them. They come from different part of the world to see the rich heritage of India. Those foreigners, those are coming in our India to look our rich heritage, and if we are misguiding, misbehaving with them, then those are getting total upset with us. Then next, prepare a PowerPoint presentation of about 10 slides on the topic cultural heritage. Already we have collected many pictures about cultural heritage. So you want to use computer, laptop or mobile phone and make slides of it. It is possible now on mobile also, and make the PowerPoint presentation. Then next, together we do. So it is of group activity. We want to do it for groups of 6. So it is a group activity of 6 students. Each group has to learn a regional song or a song in the language that is new to them. So you want to select a new song, and that song should be from different state, different culture, dance, singing activity. The group should be present the song to the class one by one, and that song we want to perform front of the class one by one. So next, there is last enrichment activity. Talk to your grandfather or elders at home. Find out some of the cultural traditions they follows when they were of your age. Talk with your grandfather or elder persons when they were at childhood, when they were at 4th standard. How was the culture at that point? You want to discuss with them. Visit any cultural festival being help in your city to develop an understanding of India's diverse culture. So when we are going to visit any cultural festival, what is the difference and how we can get understand that culture is different and it is showing India's diverse culture? We want to ask to our grandfather or any elder. So this activity is about discussion of activity, and upside you have to solve this first one activity. Remaining 6 rules you want to write, and if possible that 10 slides you want to make, but it is a group activity, so we are not in the class. So this group activity we want to do individually. Any song, other state song, you can sing, dance, perform. So here our second number lesson is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.